Hi, I'm attorney Brian Mahany, and over the next few minutes, I will explain what you need to know about Takata airbags and what to do if you are injured because of a defective airbag. Airbags have saved countless lives. As a former police officer and prosecutor, I have observed firsthand horrific accidents where the drivers and passengers were able to walk away with just scratches. What saved them? Seatbelts and airbags. But what happens when the airbag is defective? Today, tens of millions of Americans are driving around in vehicles containing defective airbags. These are airbags manufactured by a company called Takata. Airbags that the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration say can act more like a hand grenade. Takata was the largest supplier of airbags in the world. They became the largest manufacturer because their products were cheaper than the airbags made by their competitors. Why were their airbags so cheap? They were cheaper because they used ammonium nitrate as a propellant. The propellant is what causes an airbag to quickly inflate in the microseconds immediately after an accident. Unfortunately, ammonium nitrate isn't very stable. It's also very powerful and is often used by bomb makers. In high heat and humidity, ammonium nitrate can quickly degrade. Instead of becoming less explosive, it becomes even more powerful. The metal canister that holds the airbag can then become a grenade. Because airbags are in steering wheels and front dashboards, the shrapnel from the canister can shred not only the airbag, but the head and face of people riding in the front of the car. Airbag injuries are particularly gruesome. Evidence suggests that Takata knew its airbags were defective in the early 2000s. They should have done the right thing and alerted car dealers, automakers, and regulators and warned motorists. Instead, they kept quiet. In fact, there's some evidence that they deliberately covered up the defects in their airbags. By 2008, Honda knew something was wrong and began recalling cars with Takata airbags. You would think that all the other car makers would immediately stop using Takata airbags. They didn't. In fact, in 2017, Volkswagen was still using them. Today, between 65 million and 70 million cars are effective. And the recall of cars with Takata airbags has become by far the largest recall in U.S. automotive history. It's not surprising then that Takata folded in 2017. It owes the U.S. government alone almost $1 billion, with many other claims pending. The company itself says the cost of the recall could hit $24 billion. Unfortunately, the company has about $1.6 billion in assets to pay its creditors. Experts believe that 20 people were killed by Takata airbags, and scores more suffering from horrific and gruesome injuries. If you were injured by a defective airbag, you have important legal rights. Obviously, you can pursue the driver at fault in the crash, but sometimes the driver was you, or sometimes the driver has no insurance. Sometimes a minor little fender bender caused the airbag to explode and cause all the injuries. Can you sue Takata? Yes, but remember they are bankrupt and no longer in business. We believe that the car companies are also at fault, and they may be your best source of recovery. Suing an automaker isn't easy. They have been known to hide evidence and will deny knowing that the airbags used in their vehicles were defective. We know better. If you were in an accident and hurt because of a defective airbag, call us right away. You need lawyers not afraid of big corporations and lawyers that can prosecute what is called a products liability case. These are not cases for the local personal injury or PI lawyer. There is another important step to remember. If you are injured by a defective airbag, take all steps to secure both the vehicle and the airbag. The car companies would like nothing more than to get their hands on the airbag, but that is your best evidence. Secure the vehicle until you speak with us. The couple bucks to tow the car could be worth millions if your airbag injury was severe and a defective airbag was the cause. For more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. You can also visit the website URL displayed for our Takata Airbag Injury Claim Center. Thank you very much for joining me today.